Hello, in front of me I've got Endorfy Thock. In this video I'll show you how to hot swap switches. In the beginning, make sure that the keyboard is turned off, and now, using this keycap removal tool, leave the keycap. Next, we are going to use this tool, which is also included in original package. Place it over the switch, squeeze it, and pull it out. If you want to replace the switch, make sure to put it back the same way. Because as you can see here, each switch has 2 or 3 pins that go into the right place. So make sure to correctly press it in, make it gently, not to break the switch. In the end, don't forget about the keycap. And it's done. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.